Hello, in this video, I'm going to share with you a holy grail sort of trading system and its applicability in live market. Fibonacci is undoubted a very reliable trading system according to gurus of trading. I have the curiosity to know whether or not it is a myth and do we have applicability tools in this regard. Let's discuss it in detail. Fibo are the natural numbers. Firstly, you must be inculcated that Fibo is a series of numbers. The first two numbers are 0 and 1, and for getting next two, you just add up the previous two numbers like 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Subsequently, you will get these numbers like 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and so on. How about the golden ratio? Noteworthy, the beauty of Fibo is that every time when you divide the two numbers, especially the larger one like 34 divided by 21 or 54 divided by 34, you will get a percentage that is 1.618 or 61.8%. It is often called a golden ratio. You must be remembered that this golden ratio in terms of Forex trading having a decisive turning point. We have strongly believed that this is a ratio is a turning point. It means the market could twist and change its direction around these numbers. In view of this, it is a point that takes into account by every trader, regardless big institutions, traders like banks, or even individual traders like you and me. Fibo, the numbers are everywhere. Seemingly, people who believe in Fibo undoubtedly denounce that Fibo sequence is a natural sequence. One could find these sequences anywhere from themselves to plant, to population, to galaxies. Ultimately, it should have been applied in Forex trading as well. How about the applicability in FX trading? By now, we have in view that Fibo numbers are natural and having much consideration. In view of this, we now need to incorporate this into our trading system for the reason that you just laid down some rules which have been called the SOPs, Standard Operating Procedures. I pointed out the 7 numbers. The first one is see the bigger picture. Second one, look left. Third one, believe on Fibo cycle. Fourthly, incorporate some additional numbers. Fifthly, put orders in pending and not immediate execution. Sixthly, always use take profit and stop loss and never amend those. And lastly, stick with only one time frame. Let's apply these SOPs in real world with a live chart. Firstly, seeing bigger picture and look left. So here the live chart of Euro USD you can see as on the 19th of November 2019. For the bigger picture, I have chosen a daily chart. You may choose any time frame. Hence, you have to see look left and identify from where the downtrend starting momentum. See the below chart where you could point out the lower highs and lower lows series. For the reason that you have to point out the sequence of lower highs and lower lows by looking left like this. As you have seen in the above chart, market making lower high and lower low. Thus, we may say it is a downtrend. Please note down the highlighted points in which there is a bounce in a downtrend, subsequently called the lower high. This is also a Fibo cycle, a cycle of downtrend. But what happened to the most lower high, from where you have to shift from upward to downward or downward to upward? In this example, shifting from downward to upward, almost broken down the previous lower high as you can see in this chart, and afterward it is going to have another cycle. Except to have, this is the uptrend cycle. We expect a series of higher high and higher low as you have seen. Time to put your Fibo retracement tools. Thereafter, time to fix your Fibo tool. For this, you need to have only the Fibo retracement like this. Target to buy in an uptrend. As a result, draw Fibo from the low to the high and put a pending order on a 61.8% retracement ratio. Consequently, this is your target for buying. Now, you need to have your target and stop loss. As far as targeting is concerned, you need to inverse your Fibo retracement from high to low like this. The starting point. Look at the profit area. Noteworthy, you may choose your target either 88.6. This is not the by default Fibo number. You can put it by right-clicking, adding these numbers, insertion of extra numbers. So much so, you can choose your target 121, 141, 161%. Please take into account that your target must be keeping in view the risk-reward ratio. How about the stop loss? Finally, you have to choose the stop loss. It should be a logical point where your all assumption deemed null and void. To me, it is about 88.6%. For this, you have to delete Fibo up to downward and again drawing from low to high like this. What next? Where to do? Just put pending order and wait. What to do? Just put pending order and wait. Please note down, here your risk is about 38.2%, whereas your reward is beyond the risk, which is fairly a good risk-reward ratio. Keep practice this and hold this strategy at least for a quarter in order to get a good glimpse. Conclusion. I hope the above said live example will give you better view of Fibo and its applicability. I'm hoping that you have enjoyed this video. If you want to have such videos regularly, please do subscribe our channel so that you'll get such material timely. Have a nice trading. Bye.